Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the TECNO Spark 30. Alright, so let's begin. We need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots on the top right corner, and now we can get access to the settings. Now find the chats. Now scroll down a little bit and click on chat backup. Now under the Google account, select your Google account that you are currently logged in, or if you want to create a backup on other Google account, click on add. Now wait a little bit. In here, in this bar, simply type your another Google account, but also if you don't have, you can also create it right in here. Alright, remember not to lose that Google account or password to it, because if you will want to restore your backup in the future, you need to be logged into the same Google account. So don't forget it. Below we also have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option will be set on off, but we have those possible options which are daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. As you can see, currently I set it on weekly mode, and that means that each week the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually, so it's pretty convenient and comfortable feature. Below we have mode to include the videos. Simply enable it right in here, and also below you can see that 1 megabyte will be backupped. As you scroll down a little bit, on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you turn it on, in here basically you can create a unique password that you will need to type when you want to restore your backup in the future. So if you choose to create it, don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your backup. Alright, so once everything is selected, simply click on this green button, backup. Now we need to wait until this process is finished. It shouldn't take long time, because I don't have many messages. Okay, above we can see on which hour the last backup was made and the size of it. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.